Well, I've chosen a nice day to come out here and share a few tips with you regarding backgrounds. And I'm going to stick to 5 key points when taking photographs and considering your background element. First is the perspective that you're looking for. We'll take this scene as an example. When you're placing a subject in front of your camera, make sure you understand and know your elements and what's in your background. We'll say you're placing your subject in front of this dirt area here. You want to consider zooming in to focus on your subject matter. Ensure, as you see here, say you're placing your subject in front of your camera, but you have the windmills in the background. You want to make sure that these windmills aren't protruding as if they were exiting the subject's head or ears. That would be distracting. Another point is that you could use to eliminate that is you could blur your background. Now, you won't always have the availability to blur the background, and sometimes blurring will distract from the image. But if you do, there are certain software, phone applications that you could use to blur the background. So that's another key point to consider. Another item when taking photographs and considering the background, you could always zoom in on your subject, so that becomes your focal attention. Eliminates whatever else may be distracting around the area, or you could have a large image, but as you can see here, there's no focus point. If you focus in on your subject and fill the frame, obviously you get better results. Another item to consider is you may like this background for your subject, but you may consider maybe a different angle. You know, you may want to come up, you may want to get lower to see how your subject changes. So try different angles. Once again, avoid items protruding from your subject's head or ears. And most importantly, when choosing the background, keep it simple. Simple is better. And those are the 5 tips. So in summary, blur the background, fill the frame, try different angles, avoid items protruding from subject's head, ears, and keep it simple. Thank you very much.